Hello, welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's lesson, we will learn how to make the half double crochet increase and decrease. The commonly used abbreviation for increase is INC and decrease is DC, and these are the symbols. They are just two half double crochets that are joined together at the bottom for increase and at the top for decrease. Let's get started with the increase first. Like the single crochet, the increase for half double crochet is similar. We just have to make multiple stitches in the same place. I will show you a couple of times before going on to the decrease. I have here with me 7 half double crochets. Make one half double crochet like you normally would. Now, instead of inserting your hook into the next stitch, insert your hook into the same stitch where we just made one stitch and make a second stitch. So this is how we do the increase. Let me show you one more time. So make 1 and 2 stitches in the same place. You may pause the video right now and practice this a couple of times before going on to the decrease. The decrease is nothing but making one stitch out of multiple stitches. I will be making the decrease over these 2 stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw through all 5 loops. This is how you make the Hdc decrease. Let me show you one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now yarn over and draw through all 5 stitches. So this is how we make the Hdc increase and decrease. Keep practicing these stitches and I will meet you in the next lesson where we will learn how to make the double crochet. Happy hooking!